In a world where chemistry exams overwhelm and strike fear into the hearts of students everywhere, one channel dares to rise to inspire a new generation.
Thank you all for joining us, and I guarantee you will never regret spending your few minutes watching this video.
Transforming confusion into confidence and questions into mastery. Say goodbye to boring study sessions and hello to the fun, engaging, and effective chemistry lesson ever.
But when I remove this molecule here is methyl.
If you're ready to unlock the secrets of chemistry and study with confidence, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and join.
What's the difference between these molecules? Please stay with us because today you are going to understand everything concerning types of organic molecules.
Don't just study. Understand chemistry like never before.